I get stuck when I talk in English. Friends, I'm asking you, do you ever get stuck whenever you talk in your mother tongue? No. I don't think that you must be stuck while talking in your mother tongue, because it never happens to anyone. Nobody is stuck in their mother tongue. And why? Why it happens so? Because we people are surrounded with our native language, our mother tongue. If we are not desirous to listen, so we are continuously listening since morning to evening. It does not matter whether we are in our home, in society, in college, office, everywhere. We listen our mother tongue. We are not putting any effort for listening our mother tongue. But here we are talking about English language. We want to learn English language, okay? And there are so many English learners that they think they get stuck when it happens. It will happen. 100% it will happen. If you are not putting your effort for learning English language, so it will happen, because English is a second language and you want to speak in this language. So for learning this language, for speaking this language, you have to put effort for learning this language. You have to take challenge. Like anyhow you will devote time towards this language. As we all know that there are four aspects of learning this language: listening, reading, writing and speaking. If you think that you are reading and you will learn English language how to speak, so it will never happen. You have to speak. If you are reading, if you are listening and you are not practicing of speaking, so you will get nothing. What I want to speak is that if you are listening, if you are reading, if you are writing, some and past tense, you have to practice of speaking. The more you practice, the better you become. How did you learn your mother tongue? Did you learn from your any grammar book? No. Did you learn and spoke? No. What did you do? You just listened, observed, analyzed and started speaking. In initial stage you spoke wrong English, wrong Hindi, not perfect sentence, tutti frutti, broken sentences. You started speaking, but step by step, percentage by percentage, and day by day you kept improving yourself, right? You got to know how to speak, what to speak, in what situation, what word is used, okay? So you just observed. What I want to speak is that the most natural way to learn English language is the way you learned your mother tongue. You know what, friend? It is your duty that you want to speak English language. So you have to create your English environment around yourself. Just listen podcast, listen English story, read English book, so that you could get more confidence while speaking. You could get more words, sentences to speak, and you will never get humbled, never get stuck. If you have enough vocabs, words, sentences in your mind, so you will get never stuck. You never get stuck in your mother tongue because you have enough words in your mind. The words and sentences are fixed in your mind, just like a memory, right? So in the same way, if you are putting yourself in the uncomfort zone, if you are accepting challenge, so definitely you can speak this language. You have to do per day the same thing, like reading, writing, listening and speaking for 15 minutes for each, like reading 15 minutes, writing 15 minutes, speaking 15 minutes and reading 15 minutes. And after that you have to practice. Every English learner, if you see anyone speaking very good English, so what did they do? They also did the same thing, because it's a process. Learning any language, learning any new skill is a process, and in the beginning of this process you will commit mistakes. So don't get afraid of committing mistake, okay? Make mistake, make 100 mistake, make 1000 mistake, but make some mistake. How will you make mistake? If you try, then you will make mistake. If you think that the day you will get perfection and you will start from that day, so that day will never appear to you. You have to start from the first day. Committing mistake, making mistake, you have to go ahead and you will improve yourself with the passage of time. So friends, I hope that this video is going to help you a lot. Let's meet in another video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling and keep practicing of English skills. Bye bye.